My name is Lokesh.
My name is
My name is LKJ. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how wonder what is one. Appamona attavai, and in the sky.
Johnny.
Shani, yes, Papa. It is Sura, no Papa. Tally, no Papa. Open in the moon. Ah, ah, ah. Butterfly, butterfly. Everybody going out in the garden. Dancing, dancing.
7 days, 1 week.
7 days, 1 week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday,
Friday,
Friday, Saturday,
January,
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Thank you, Allah.
Thank you. Good morning to one another. My name is Gautam Surya. I am studying LKG in Vision School. Telugu rhymes. Palaka palaka అందమైన పలక అక్షరాల పలక ముద్దు ముద్దు పలక ముచ్చటైన పలక. Thank you, all of you.
Jyoti of nursery is going to celebrate her birthday. Let us all together wish her.
Thank you, all of you.
Many more happiness update. May God bless you. Dear students, how are you? I'm good, thank you. What's the enriching thought today? I didn't write on board. She said one enriching thought. What is that? What is the enriching thought? The beginning of any work? No? What is that? Tell me. Beginning is the most important part of any work, right? What is the meaning of this enriching thought? So when we want to do any work, when we want to start learning anything, first we have to begin it. So it is very difficult part. So once you start doing the work, then automatically work will continue. So starting the work is very difficult part. So when you want to learn anything new thing like new language or any new subject or lesson, first you have to start it, right? So you should not postpone your work. I can do tomorrow, I can do next week. Like that, if you postpone the work, you can't start the work after 1 week also. So first you have to begin the work. Whenever you want to learn anything, you should start immediately learning that one, right? Okay. And I asked you, Sunday you have to do one work, right? Did you do any work yesterday? Special thing? Apart from learning subjects, did you learn anything new yesterday? Anyone like that? Raise your hands. No? Nobody? Down your hands. Okay. So I told you that you can do any work apart from subjects on Sundays. After completion of your homeworks, class works, you can learn something new. Either maybe game or anything. No problem. You can learn one game like chess game or any other game, sports, not mobile games. Okay? Mobile games are not good. So any other games. If you want to play any games in mobile, puzzles are available. or else in newspapers also puzzles, they give puzzles, English puzzles, Telugu puzzles. So if you solve the puzzles, then it gives boosting to your brain power will increase. So do that type of things on Sunday. So you can use Sunday for those things, along with playing games with your friends, watching TV, doing classworks, homeworks. Along with that, you can do something new on every Sunday. So plan it. Next Sunday I will ask you. So whatever you have to do, you can think and plan it. And next Monday I will call you onto the stage and you have to explain about your Sunday's routine. Sure? How many of you will explain next Monday? Sure. I can remember. See, teacher is taking video also. I can remember your hands, your face. So I will ask you. Sure. Down your hands. Good. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. And one more thing, forgot. STs. Daily STs. Are you writing? So may I ask you, what's ST today for 5th standard? Telugu. Did you prepare well? Sure. Okay, anyone from 5th A come up onto the stage and tell about today's ST? 5th A, boy or girl, anyone from 5th A standard?
Hi everyone, my name is Niyati and I am studying 5th standard in Vijan English Medium School. Today now I am here to Telugu questions. రవికి పక్షులు అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం కదా, మీకు ఏ పక్షులు అంటే ఇష్టం? నాకు చిలుక, పావురం, కాకి, నెమలి, కోకిల, కొంగ, మైనా, పాలపిట్ట, గోరువంక, పిచ్చుకలు అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. నా స్నేహితుడు ఎంతో బడికి వెళ్ళాం. అక్కడ ఆడుకున్నప్పుడు నా స్నేహితుడు కాలు తగిలి కింద పడిపోయాడు. మూతికి దెబ్బలు తగిలాయి. Thank you all of you.
Very good. So one student came forward. So tomorrow onwards, I will ask any class student. Okay, be ready for that. What's ST tomorrow for you? 5th standard? Same ST or different subjects? Okay, whatever it may be, you should be ready. You have to come up onto the stage and you have to tell about your preparation. Right? What did you learn for that ST? You have to tell on stage. I'll call roll numbers. Okay, sure. Very good. Thank you.
Please be running attention position for national anthem.